Let's begin by creating a new template. Click on Create Template. You'll now see different categories, including marketing, utility, and authentication. Inside the marketing category, you'll find two options. For this tutorial, choose Custom. Now, enter a name for your template. Choose a clear and meaningful name, and then select your preferred language. Once that's done, click Continue. Now move to the header section. In the header options, select Media. Here, choose the type of media you want to use. For this example, select Image. Choose the image you want to display in the header. Next, move to the body section. Type the main content of your message here. Keep the text clear, concise, and easy to understand. Now scroll down to the footer section. The footer is optional, so you can fill it in if needed or skip it. Add your call to action. Enter the action text and provide the required details, such as a link or contact information. Once everything is filled in, click Submit. Your template will now appear in the Review section. Click the Refresh button. You'll see that the template is now active. Your template has been successfully created and is ready to use.